We're at a destination nursery today, and we're going to show you what's a little bit different about this place. Not only do they grow the plant material, but they also show you how it's going to look in a couple years in your own garden setting. I'm here at Bennett Nurseries, north side of Huntsville, and I'm talking with Jeff Bennett. And Jeff, I want to talk a little bit about your vertical, about your accent plantings, I guess, in your beds.
Sure. These beds where we're standing, they've only been here for a couple of years, but folks can get an idea of what they're going to see in the near future. For example, this evergreen here is a variety called Prairie Pillar. It is a juniper that is it's an eastern red cedar, an old-fashioned cedar tree. But what's unique about this one is that it will get to be about 15 feet tall, but only a couple of feet wide.
And behind it is a nice grass.
Behind it is a very good grass. We've just recently learned about this one. This is called Northwind. It is a type of Panicum, Northwind switchgrass. And although it's quite vertical and upright in the summertime, it's unique in that in the winter it turns a copper color and does not fall all over the landscape. It maintains its
not
vertical.
only do you have shrubs, you also have some flowers, and I noticed a type of yarrow here. Tell me about some of the other things.
Sure, we're trying to incorporate not only the permanent plants, of course the perennial, this yarrow here is pink grapefruit, and then some annuals at the base of it. We've got some more focal points in this bed. This is Verdoni Chamaecyparis right here, nice golden, and a dwarf Chamaecyparis. Back behind it is another vertical Japanese maple here. That's called Tsukasa Silhouette. Very upright, green leaf, narrow growing Japanese maple. This little Japanese maple has really gained a lot of attention for us. It's called Mikawa Yatsubusa, and very tightly knit leaf structure to it. And then if you can see up on the trunk right there, it's a ribbed trunk. It looks like bamboo. It will be a dwarf as well. Nice, good orange to golden fall color.
Is this a cypress?
It is. It's a bald cypress. It's actually a dwarf bald cypress. It's called Peve Minaret. And this bald cypress won't be enormous like some of the large specimens you might see down in the swampland, but it's maintaining the corner of this bed here with an underplanting, mainly for the hummingbirds. This is a firecracker plant, a Cuphea ignea, another Cuphea in front, just a hummingbird filling station here. Ended up with a Angelina sedum on the edge right there.
I know you have another bed up a little bit farther, so let's go take a look at that one as well.
Sure.
Gosh, tell me about this blue.
Oh, this is one of those heat-tolerant blue lobelias here. It's really an electric color, and we don't get a chance to see the lobelia much in the south here. So this heat-tolerant blue, and there's also a white we've been using for the past couple of years.
Wouldn't that be fun to put red, white, and blue?
Oh, it would be. Very patriotic. Yep. We got a little red in here, but it's not showing just yet. Behind the rock we have an encore azalea, Russian sage, and then fern spray cypress is peeking out above it.
I like the growth habit of that. Now tell me about what you said was your favorite thing in here.
Yeah, right at the back here is a new Japanese maple. Some folks are familiar with coral bark maple, the variety called Sango Kaku. This is actually one called Bihu, and it is a yellow barked coral bark maple. So in the wintertime, we'll have some very nice fall color, golden to orange, but then the foliage will fall off and reveal a very yellow to orange bark to it. It's really nice in this bed for the wintertime.
I think it goes nicely with all the chartreuse that people are seeking now in their gardens as well.
Certainly, just like the creeping jenny at the base of it right there, really highlights the bark. But this is just one example of one of the many things that we try to carry here. We're not just your average garden center as far as a few vegetables and bedding plants. We really try to have not just your basics, but something unusual, something new. You've been doing gardening for many years, and it would be no fun if you couldn't try the unique and the unusual. So we try to showcase it in our own beds, as well as offer it and give advice to the customers that come by want some help. What do I do? How do I do it?
Well, thank you so much, Jeff. It's been great. You introduced me to a lot of new and different plant materials.
For inspiring garden tours, growing tips, and garden projects, visit our website at volunteergardener.org or on YouTube at the Volunteer Gardener channel, and like us on Facebook.